everybody, this is Emily. She's
Hi.
she's come to help me. Actually, I'm hopefully here to help you. So one of the things that I notice when people have a little bit of wave in their hair is that the wave tends to look more noticeable when it's wet than when it dries. I can see some of this now, but I really want to bring it out. I really want to kind of lift it up and bring it out a little bit more. So what you want to do first, before you add any of the blow dryer or any of the product, is you want to just kind of set.
Okay, the bang?
Set the bangs.
Okay, so...
And then I want you to pick up a little piece of your hair and you
okay.
just grabbing it from the tip and then you're kind of twirling it around there.
That's fun.
It is fun, right? Stucco. The stucco.
Okay.
Now technically the stucco is supposed to be used afterwards. It's something that you actually use to put in the hair to make it bigger. Okay.
Gotcha.
I like to sometimes use it beforehand when I'm blow drying, especially for this effect, to make it quite a bit bigger. Put a little bit of product in your hand. Now, before you put your hands together, we're going to put some of the cement powder. We're going to take the number 12 cement powder that you can dust into your hand, and you don't need very much. So the cement powder is also going to give a little bit more strength.
So volume and strength.
Volume and strength, exactly.
Okay, so I mix everything?
Mix it together.
Okay.
Okay, and you can start with the high, but then eventually we're going to switch to low. Low heat. So start with high heat. You want to kind of pick it up with your hand, and then it goes up to your skull. You see that?
Okay.
But a little bit more height, a little bit more of body. And now leave that in for like 2 or 3 seconds and then move over to a new section. Perfect. Yep.
I like it.
Yeah, it's nice, right? It really brings out a lot more of the wave. Another little trick that you can do, because the stucco is very soft to touch, but it gives a nice big webbing sort of an effect, is we can actually go in and get in at your root area a little bit more, so we can get a little bit more body, because now that your roots are drying, your roots dry first and they dry really fast.
That's really cool.
It's so cool. It's almost like we just froze your hair. We freeze it and just make it a little bigger. It's still a little wet right there.
Right there?
Mm-hmm.
And it's gonna last, right?
Mm-hmm. That's what the cold air does. So you need to make sure that you finish it with cold air. We're going to put a little bit more product to finish, because with the heat you've taken and you've transformed the shape, which is why it's gotten big, and the cold air locks it. And just makes it lock right in. Okay. We're going to take a little bit of the number 13, the matte forming ground, and it's a little bit stronger of a product. It has a little bit of a matte finish to it. And with your hair being so shiny and like everything being so bright, I almost want to just like freeze it. So I want to use something matte, because if you do too shiny, then you're just going to look like unreal. Do you know what I mean? So you're going to take just a little bit of this, and it has a strong texture to it. You don't need much, maybe just like that much. Okay. And then basically you can just go in and keep building.
Okay.
It's so cool. I love it.
I love it too.
It's so glamorous.
I'm a new.
Yes, it's very glamorous. So that is my lovely Emily.
Yes.
Beginning with the stucco.
Yeah.
To blow dry.
To melt with the powder.
To melt with the powder. And the number 12. And then finish with the number 13. The matte forming ground. Okay?
That's really nice.
Woohoo!
I love
it.
it.
So glamorous. Woo!